morning, everyone. We are up in Missouri again. Yes, if you haven't seen our yesterday's video where we were at S'more, you should check that out. Today we're just doing, what'd that say, Glade?
This is the Mark Twain National Forest,
Mark Twain, yep.
And we're currently on the Scenic Byway.
Yep, so we're gonna see what's down here, see if we can find a trail to get on or whatever, and
A little picnic area.
And go ride.
Hayden Park. So we came in at the Hayden Park area, and it's a little sprinkly today.
Yeah, a little wet.
A little rainy.
Thought it'd be alright, it keeps the dust down.
It does, and we're hoping to see maybe some waterfalls. Not quite sure, not familiar with this area.
Yeah.
We'll see what we get into today.
Absolutely.
We did fix the tire. We went to a local tire shop in Ava, Missouri, and they fixed the valve stem and the TPR sensor. They had one to put back in.
Super nice people. I don't remember the name of it, but I'll try to look it up and put a link to it below in the description. Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, then you'll see a picture of it right here. So, yeah, check those guys out if you ever need any tire repairs. They're great people.
Here we go. We've pulled up to another little overlook area.
Videoing?
Yep. I'm videoing. It is a little chilly at this little overlook. They've got some tables out here. Got some age on them, a little fire pit. It's like a little hiking trail over here. Pretty cool. Hey, we got some places to stop for lunch over here. That's pretty tall. Who's gonna risk it today? Oh yeah, there's a little fire pit over here in this area, so I guess you could camp here too. Lots of little dispersed camping. At least it looks that way.
Well, we turned on a trail. Forest Hollow Trail. Or Short Hollow.
Hollow, Forest Service 510.
Yeah. What she said. So we'll see where this goes.
It's rated 4 out of 10 on Onyx. Oh, woo! Plug that in. And I think it said it was over 6 miles long. This is right off of the Glade Top bypass, scenic bypass.
Well, look who's back in the driver's seat.
It's me. It's me again.
Yeah.
And this is some tight little corners.
And we swapped out so I could do some drone footage, which you probably just seen. So now we're about to.
So Dana takes the wheel.
Let her drive. Yeah. Let her drive for a little bit.
Oh, look at this. Oh.
All right. Uh-oh. Got some stuff coming up.
I gotta see. Maybe I need to roll down my window. I don't know. Which way am I going? Left or right?
You can go either. That's probably the easiest.
Okay. Probably just take the easy path. Just because it's me driving. Ledge over here somewhere. I can't see what's over there by you.
You got it. Easy peasy.
Oh yeah. Woohoo! I did it.
Yes, you did.
I did it. I did it. So this is our first National Forest ride on the new 35-inch tires.
Oh yeah, forgot to mention we got 35s.
That's right. Now rolling on 35s.
Pretty girl by my side. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Which way do I want to go? I think this curves left. To the right is another little offshoot that goes, I don't know where. Do you want me to go down there?
Yeah, let's follow it.
Okay.
If it's just an out and back.
It's an out and back and then a hiking trail, it looks like.
Cool little section here with some rocks.
I'm going this way, but I can't really see. Passenger?
Yeah.
Okay. Wish we had a front camera. I keep saying that.
Yeesh.
Ooh, what did I hit?
I kind of want to ride on the rocks instead of trying to center them. So.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
I hit it again.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's that big ass rock.
Oh, well, help me out. I've got my head out the driver window. Put your head out the passenger.
We're past them now.
Oh. Well, there's still some more right here.
Yeah, these ain't worried about.
I didn't think those were that tall. These 35s were supposed to give us a little more clearance.
Yep.
It did make us an inch or so taller. All
Yeah,
right.
straddle the high points. Yeah.
Straddle
Stay
the
straight
high.
right here.
Okay.
Ride the ridges.
Okay.
This is kind of neat little area right here.
Oh yeah. You should get out and take a video of it.
Well, we gotta come back, so let's see what's at the end. If we can even get over there. I don't know which way to go here.
Well, my map shows going left. So I'm gonna need you to get out and about to say I can't see, but
Just stays close to see the tree there. Just stay kind of ride that high ridge right there. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm
yeah.
on a route.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm on Groot.
Pretty interesting little section here. All these little indents. Driver, out there. Whoa. When I say driver, don't go full tilt, driver, just a little bit. No, you're fine. Go passenger if it makes you feel better. That'll be all right. Passenger. Keep it right there. Hang on, Kevin.
We've stopped at this little creek bed area. Wow, the water is so clear. Those cliffs over there, pretty cool. Pretty sure I'm standing on a cliff's edge as well. Oh, there's a fish. There's more than one fish. Oh, there's lots of fish. Yep, I'm definitely standing on a cliff edge.
I got glare from the ducks.
Oh, because they're all over here. They went swimming. Come here, little duckies. Here, little ducky, ducky, ducky. Here I come. Riding my cowboy. Singing those campfire songs.
Oh, I don't know if we're going to be able to get through that.
You are not getting through that. I can spot you, but you can get through this other one. Got it? Oh, goodness. Whoa. I'm scared on this one. Should I get out?
No, you'll be fine. I got you. Don't worry. Make some good video for Kevin.
Slide into the tree again. Oh, good job.
Dang.
That's soupy, but we could have made it up that for sure, but that is soupy down below. Our bumper might have dug into.
Think we can make that on the right? On this trail on the right?
Yeah. I mean, it's going to get weird, but right here, as long as you don't stay to the left, stay driver. As long as you don't go down in that deep hole, we'll be fine.
Oh, this would be a great place to set up a camera.
You want me to do that? You want me to get out? What do you want me to do with it? Just get out and record?
I don't know. Just lay into the Jeep while I drive over you.
I'm not laying under the Jeep. Like, what was this used for? What is that thing?
Maybe to generate electricity or something. They had water flow through it, or
And another little pipe up there.
stair-step trail here we're going up.
This is a neat little rocky area.
Well, that concludes our second day in Missouri. Today we were at the Mark Twain Forest. Yesterday we were at S'more. If you hadn't seen that video, check it out. I thought it was a great trail. I'm gonna put a link to Gaia. I recorded it on Gaia. I'll link it down in the description.
I recorded on Onyx.
Yeah.
I think Onyx was better for these trails.
Yeah, for sure. I think Onyx had a lot more detail. But yeah, check those out. I don't think you need anything really crazy lifted or anything. I mean, I think a stock Rubicon might have been more than enough to do that trail.
Absolutely. Or any Jeep.
Yeah.
A stock Jeep in general, I think is what you meant.
Yeah. There was lots of places to camp, lots of overlooks.
Dispersed camping, yep. Overlooks everywhere we turned, yeah.
Yeah, because you're riding that ridge down the top of that mountain, so I mean, you'd go into the field and it'd just be views on both sides. So all in all, it was a great ride. I think we did 35 miles ish on this one trail. So
yeah, absolutely, it was fun.
Wife picked that one, so we're gonna give her props. She did good.
I pick a lot of them. I never know what I'm getting us into.
So yeah, definitely worth checking out if you're in southern Missouri.
Yep, Mark Twain National Forest. We did run across an old homestead. That was pretty cool.
Yeah. Agreed.
We didn't see a home. We just saw the fence and where it was, where the footers were.
Yep. So anyway, like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments. Where do you ride in Missouri? Do you come to Missouri and ride? What's your favorite Missouri riding spot?
We'd like to know.
Yep, we're always on the hunt for new places to ride, so just let us know. Drop it in the comments. What do you think? We good?
Yep.
All right. Well, we're going to close it out then, and we're going to see you guys on the trails.